In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Yahoo Mail. Logging out of your email account is a key factor in maintaining both your privacy and security, so let's make sure you know how to do it properly and efficiently. To get started, once you're logged into Yahoo Mail, you'll immediately notice your inbox displayed right in front of you. Now, what you need to focus on is the top right corner of the page. This is where you'll find your profile picture and name prominently displayed. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this corner of the screen, as it hosts most of your account options. Gently position your mouse over this area, and depending on your browser settings and the current layout of Yahoo's interface, a drop-down menu might appear, or the option may simply get highlighted as you hover over it. It's important to be patient here, just give it a moment. Once you've successfully highlighted the area with your name or profile picture, look out for the option labeled Sign Out. This is the key button you'll need to engage. Clicking on Sign Out ensures that your session is securely closed, preventing anyone else from accessing your Yahoo Mail without logging in again. It's as straightforward as that, just a couple of simple steps. Though these actions are simple, they play a vital role in safeguarding your information and maintaining your privacy. Especially when you're using a computer that might be accessed by other people, like at the library, a friend's house, or within a shared workspace, this step is crucial. Remember, logging out is not just about ending your session, it's about securing your digital footprint. Before we finish up, here's a handy little tip. If you're someone who juggles multiple services like Yahoo Mail, it's easy to overlook logging out. To save yourself from possible security breaches, consider setting an automated reminder or establish a quick routine to double-check that you've logged out of all your accounts before leaving your computer. Such habits might seem like small potatoes, but they are actually significant steps towards maintaining robust cybersecurity hygiene. Now, you're all set with logging out of Yahoo Mail. Embrace this practice. It may appear minor, yet it's an important move towards securing your online presence. Next time you complete your email activities, take that extra second to ensure you've securely logged out. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you've found these steps enlightening and helpful. Stay secure, and see you next time.